Well, hey everybody, I just want to make a quick video on how I'm going to try and get this hub off. So just a quick introduction to the situation here. 2015 Buick LaCrosse, 53,000 miles. The hub on the rear is making a really strange noise, and I think it's bad. So I'm replacing the wheel bearing, and this is really tricky because the axle, because it's all-wheel drive, is basically stuck in here. So what I had to do was just kind of take this whole thing apart, lay it down, and there's 3 bolts that secure the hub onto the knuckle, I guess you'd call it. I don't know what you call that little thing in there. So I took those out, which was a pain. It probably took an hour and a half just because I had to, for each one of those bolts, I had to put it in a specific way, and the breaker bar has a very small range that I can use it. So anyways, that was a process, but I'm having a heck of a time getting this axle out of the hub. So what I'm going to do is I sprayed it with this liquid wrench. This is, I think, basically just PV Blaster. Put some on the inside. I went on the other side, just sprayed the crap out of it. I'm going to show you guys how I use a air hammer here to loosen that up. So we're going to see if this works. Last year I did the same thing, and the air hammer worked on the other side. This is just so stuck on there that I have to do it as well. So I'll prop you guys up and we'll give it a whirl. All right, well, here goes nothing. I got some ear protectors here too, just so that I don't kill my ears.